The June report is already here, and I'm so excited to present you our main updates. You will see that this report is a bit shorter than usual because many things we have started working on them in June, but they will be launched on July or August. For example, the new indexing feature and many other exciting stuff we have on the plate. So basically, which are the three main things we work on? In the custom CNAME, which is already like a feature that people is loving it, you can now upload your custom favicon. That way the experience will be 100% personalized and there will be like no any sign of SEOcrawl. That way it will be 100% your branding. The other thing is that finally the bulk upload for link monitoring. As you know, we recently launched our PR and link building monitoring tool, but you needed to upload one by one all the links. As we are so obsessed with efficiency, we created like an Excel file where you can copy paste simply all your links, and we will automatically monitor all the anchor tags, the rel, and everything without doing all the manual work. Here you have video explaining it step by step. And finally, we have the export for annotations, a really asked feature that people were loving, like annotations. And now you can export all the data, both from Google Core Updates and also your custom annotations. But there's nothing like seeing everything in real time, so let's go for it. We go here in our profile, organization, and here you can define your own CNAME and also the custom favicon. For example, seo.yourdomain.com or reports.yourdomain.com, and everything will be there. In terms of link building, it's really easy. We just click here in the question mark, we download the Excel template, we copy paste all the link building sites where we have applied campaigns, and automatically we will detect both the anchor text and the type of link. And finally, we have the annotations where we have first the Google Core Updates, and secondly, all our manual actions that we do to improve our site, but now you can export all of them in CSV, Excel, or Google Sheet. As you can see, we will not stop working. We are so obsessed in getting better day by day, and we are really grateful for nearly 20,000 companies and professionals that already rely on SEOcrawl. So let's keep crushing it, and thank you so much for your support.